Hello, my name is Troy Spring, CEO of Dealer World. I'm really honored to come over and speak to you in November. What I'm going to be talking about is the road to more conversions. You see, we back it all the way up to what I call the first conversion, and that's the human mind. Long before the customer's on a website sometimes, or getting to the point of clicking a CTA button, a call to action button to become a lead for you, there's a lot that goes on. Do they like you? Do they want to do business with? Did they find you relevant? So we're going to start there. We're going to start with that first conversion and discuss how we can get the consumer mind to a point where they will convert at a higher level. Secondarily, we're going to look at the free traffic on your website. We're going to talk about that as an asset class and how to convert all of it at a higher rate, thus yielding more leads for free. Third, we're going to talk about some paid strategies, some new things like Performance Max from Google, which is something we're seeing some really great results with. We're going to talk about how to maximize that, and then we're going to talk about some oldie but goodie strategies that, quite frankly, I think you'd like to see some case studies on, because what really matters isn't if it's hot, fresh, and new. It matters if it works. So we're going to talk about some case studies of things that are going to end up getting you more conversions and more leads. So to recap real quick, we're going to talk about the first conversion, the human mind, and do they like you? Then we're going to talk about how to get more conversions from all of your free traffic. And third, we're going to talk about some really aggressive paid strategies. In the end, we're going to leave, hopefully, with you having some very actionable items on how to convert more leads on your website at an extremely powerful ROI. Again, my name is Troy Spring. I'm from Dealer World, and I'm really excited to come meet you in November.